Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Rohit. Today we will see how to check whether given number is palindrome or not. So here is the code for program. Now first of all we see what is palindrome number. If the given number is equal to reverse of that number, then that number is palindrome number. Here are the two examples. First number is 4224, reverse of that number is 4224, so that number is palindrome. But here that condition fails, so this number is not palindrome. And another thing is this is mod operator. I have also used mod operator here, line number 12. So this operator gives us the remainder of the division, and this is normal division that you guys already know. Here code is divided in three parts. In first part we take the input from the user and we store that number in temp variable. Then this condition is for reversing the number, and if else we use to check whether temp is equal to reverse or not. If this is true then palindrome, if this is not true then number is not palindrome. I will show you this condition how it exactly works. Here suppose we take n as 121. 121 is stored in temp variable. Then it enters in the while loop. While loop first check n is greater than 0. So is our n is what? 121. So 121 is greater than 0. Yes. It enters in the loop. R is equal to n mod 10. 121 mod 10. Remainder is what? 1. So R's value is updated as 1. Then reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus R. Reverse is equal to initial value of the reverse is what? 0. So 0 into 10 plus R. R's value is what? 1. So 0 into 10 plus 1 is 1. So reverse value is updated as 1. Then at the last step we decrement the digit by 1 place. 121 by using division. 121 division 10 is n is equal to what? 12. Then it again go to the while condition. It checks whether 12 is greater than 0. Answer is yes. Then it enters in the loop. R is equal to 12 mod 10. R's value is updated as 2. Reverse is equal to 1. How 1 come? Because our R value is what? 1. So R reverse is equal to 1 into 10 plus 2. Here is the 2 value. So at the reverse is our updated as 12. N is equal to 12. Division 10 is nothing but 1. So again it checks, is 1 greater than 0? Yes. 1 mod 10 is 1. Reverse value is updated as 121. How 12 comes? Because our previous reverse value is 12. So it takes that value. So 12 into 10 plus 1 is 121. So our condition succeeds that given number is equal to reverse of that number. So that number is palindrome. We'll show you by running the code. Enter the number. We enter 121. It gives output as number is palindrome. So hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and take care. Bye bye.